Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. Pretty women wonder where my secret lies. I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. When I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say it's the reach of my arms and the span of my hips, the stride of my step and the curl of my lips. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman? That's me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man the fellows stand or fall down on their knees, then swarm about me a hive of honeybees. I say it's the fire of my eyes and the flash of my teeth, the swing in my waist and the joy in my feet. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. And when I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I say, it's the arch of my back, the sun in my smile, the ride of my breasts, and the grace of my style. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. And now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say it's the click of my heels, the bend in my hair, the palm of my hand, and the need for my care. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me.